Governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, Timothy Antwine, warns that persistent inflation, the rising probability of a recession in 2023, tightening global financial conditions, and continued geopolitical risk from the war in Ukraine do not bode well for our financial and economic outlook.
In an attempt to get inflation under control, central banks in advanced economies will continue to raise interest rates. As a consequence, the global economy has slowed, and our major trading partners such as the UK and the USA are likely to experience a recession in 2023. In the ECCU, economic recovery is being propelled by a strong rebound in tourism. At this time, the Eccb does not project a recession in the ECCU in 2023. However, our current growth forecast of around 6% is likely to be lowered.
He points out what he envisions for the ECCU's financial landscape.
Envision a financial stability framework inclusive of a regional standard-setting body for all financial regulators, be they bank or non-bank, regional or national. 2, the greening of our financial system. 3, a credit bureau. 4, a deposit insurance scheme to protect depositors. 5, an office for financial conduct to address market conduct. 6, a strong financial literacy, wellness, and resilience program. 7, a modern payment system and services framework. 8, a modern insolvency and bankruptcy framework. 9, a virtual assets business regulatory framework.
Governor Antwine said the ECCB's new strategic plan is fully aligned with this vision, and much of its work in 2023 will be focusing on helping this vision to become a reality. He assured stakeholders that the EC dollar remains strong and the ECCU system is broadly stable, backed by adequate levels of capital and liquidity. He commended licensed financial institutions for their good work in a very challenging environment of the pandemic, record inflation, the acquisition of Canadian banking operations with attendant transition issues, and the implementation of prudential standards, such as the treatment of impaired assets. The theme for this year's conference, which opened on Thursday, is an inflection point: what's ahead of the ECCU's financial landscape? Mr. Antwine put stakeholders on notice that the 5th annual conference with licensed financial institutions will return to its original location at the ECCB campus with a virtual option. The likely dates given for this event are November 8th to the 10th of 2023. Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.